Have you ever wanted to learn something new but felt stuck? Maybe you tired of to pick up a guitar, coding or a new language but gave up after a few weeks. What if I told you that you could learn any skill much faster than you think? Today I am sharing proven ways to speed up your learning based on real science, not just fancy talk. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to learn any new skill in much less time than most people take. The problem with normal learning. Many of us learn the hard way, endless reading, watching videos for hours, or practicing without a clear plan. This wastes time and often leads to giving up because we don't see results fast enough. Almost everyone hits learning plateaus and think they just don't have the talent, but that's not true. The science of fast learning. Research shows our brains can form new connections much faster than we were thought. Scientists call this brain plasticity. Your brain can change and grow at any age when you use the right methods. Let me show you how to take full advantage of this to cut your learning time way down. Method 1. Focus practice blocks. Instead of long tired practice session, research shows that short super focus blocks work better. Try the 20 by 5 method. 25 minutes of deep focus then 5 minutes of rest. This keeps your brain fresh and helps move information from short term to long term memory. Method 2. Teach what you learn. One of the most powerful ways to learn faster is to explain what you learning to someone else. You don't need a real student. You can talk to an empty chair, record yourself or write it down as if teaching. This method quickly show you what you really understand and what needs more work. Method 3. Learn by doing projects. Your brain learns best when solving real problems, not just taking an information. Break down the skill you want to learn and create small projects that use that skill. For example, if learning to code, build a simple app. If learning a language, try to order food in that language. Method 4. Use spaced repetition. Your brain forms stronger memories when you work review information at specific time. Review what you learn after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week, then 2 weeks. This pattern matches how your brain naturally forms long-term memory then cuts total study time. Method 5. Connect new skill to what you know. Your brain learns faster when you link new information to things you already understand. Ask yourself, how is this like something I already know? Or what does this remind me of? These mental hooks make me new ideas stick much better in your memory. Method 6. Use physical movement. Studies show that adding physical movement while learning boosts memory by up to 40%. Try walking while listening to lesson, using a hand gesture when explaining concepts, or even acting out processes. Movement increases blood flow to your brain and create more ways for your memory to store information. 7. Sleep right. Your brain keeps working while you sleep, sorting and saving what you learn during the day. Studies show that learning something new than sleeping with 3 to 4 hours helps your brain store it better. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep when learning something new. It's not lazy, it's smart learning. Putting it all together, let's put this method together in a simple weekly plan. Choose one skill to focus on. Break it into small parts. Set up short, focus practice times. Create simple projects to apply what you learn. Plan your review days. Using spaced repetition. Get enough sleep during learning weeks. People who use this method often learn it weeks, what takes other months or even year. The best part, this method works for any skill, music, language, sport, coding, cooking, anything you want to learn. Remember, the key is to start. Pick one skill you want to learn. Use these methods and you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like and share and subscribe it with someone who wants to learn something new. Let me know in the comments what skill you are going to learn faster with these tips.